Assalamualaikum students, we are starting our unit number 1, the great race. But before starting this chapter, write date and day over here. In this chapter, we will read race between two vehicles. Right? What are vehicles and what is race? Race is a competition between runner in which we see who is the winner in the end, who win the race. Right? And what is vehicles? Vehicles are these transport things, right? Are used for transportation. Vehicles are used for transportation to move object or people from one place to another place. These are vehicles. What are vehicles? Cars, bus, trains, cart, bicycle. So vehicles need power to move. How these vehicles move? All these vehicles need power to move. Like car needs petrol to start. Train needs coal and electricity to move. These are the electric train. Have you seen in the videos or electric trains? Electric trains are not in Pakistan. These trains are in other countries, right? And we have buses. Do you know how this bus move? Bus move with the help of petrol. When we fill petrol in the bus or in the car, then these bus starts off. So you can fill this. Let's start reading of this chapter. I will read one line, then you will read after me. A bicycle and a motorcycle have a race. The motorcycle starts off with a lot of noise. The pedal says crank, crank. The engine goes vroom, vroom. There is a lot of smoke. It moves off with a roar, roar. It races down the road. The bicycle starts off quietly. It moves its paddle. It moves its paddles. And they go up and down, up and down. The wheels spin smoothly. It starts off down the road behind the motorcycle. Halfway it sees the motorcycle by the side of the road. Mr. Policeman is standing nearby. Look at the smoke, he tells the motorcycle. You are making the air dirty. You can't use the road anymore. The bicycle goes smoothly and quietly to the end of the road. All the people clap and cheer. Hurrah for the bicycle! They shout.